Y'all niggas is pussies.
Trey made this one.
Fuck you. Yeah. Getting pissed off in this cell about to come up, and I'ma tell you what I got, and I'ma stab you in the knot. Then I'ma take off your fucking Adam's apple and I'ma rip it off. I'ma rip it off, bitch. I'ma rip it off. I'm getting real pissed. You can suck on my dick. I don't give a fucking shit about this rap shit. I'ma fucking make it up, and I'ma sit and fucking laugh while your pussies try to make it and try to take what you can't have. Don't grab what you can't have, and don't touch what you can't fuck, cause I don't give a motherfucker. I fuck any bitch and they cunt. Give a shit. Fucking listening to y'all shit. I'm sick of y'all shit. Where's my shit? Bitch, I like this. I like getting up. I like fucking your bitch and I like to hit it up. I like going to the kitchen where I found in the soap, and your girl was in the kitchen, so I figured I might do the dishes. So I did the dishes for you, and she loved it more than you. She said I hit it like a pro. I said I know. I said I know. I hit a touchdown, I scored a goal. Damn, hit a home run, baby, I'm coming on, baby. One day, someday, I'll make it up, and I'ma laugh at you faggots when I make it up, cause y'all niggas is gay as fuck. I don't give a fuck. Y'all some grapes on a grapevine. I'ma cut that vine down, now you grape time. Time to munch on that shit and make grape wine, and fucking drink y'all and piss y'all out my penis line. Yeah, flush you down the toilet and you going in the sewer, nigga. Smell like fucking cow manure, nigga. Your ass are gay and they ain't knowing you know shit. Sound retired, nigga. If I was the manager, your ass would be fired. Yeah, I'm fucking pissed off and I'm fucking mad. You niggas, you try to take what you can't have, so don't grab what you can't grab. I'm gonna hit you, knock your ass out on the fucking floor. Nigga, you gonna be bleeding on the floor? I'm gonna be fucking your whore. Yeah, Little York coming up, and I'm coming out, and I'm coming in. Your bitch mouth, and she like it. It's Christmas in her mouth, it's lights out, it's almost Christmas. I'm gonna make my Christmas wish list. I'm gonna make a Christmas hit list. Fuck your business and fuck your feelings. I don't give a fuck how you feeling right now. I got my beats and just chilling right now. Right about now, if you don't like my sound, you can fuck off. And nigga, you can fuck off, then go to your bedroom and jerk off, cause we know that you don't get sucked off. Talking about how you fucking many bitches, but really you ain't doing shit. You just fucking the same bitch. You always on the same shit. Nigga, don't talk to me because I don't understand broke nigga language. Yeah, that broke nigga shit and your broke niggas bitches and that ratchet pussy shit. I don't feel that shit. I don't fucking dig it, nigga. If you don't got it, shit, I got your grave. Go fucking dig it, nigga. New York. Go dig it, nigga. Go dig it.